So, hi guys, this video should have been long, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I wanted to show you how you do some programming from the command line in Unix systems, but I found some unexpected problems on the way. And so the video became like 30 minutes long, and I decided not to cut it, and you will see me finding problem, try to solve them. Many times I mistook, but there is no problem. It's what happened in the real life. Okay, you don't know all commands and all syntax by memory, and when you find a problem, you need to think about it. So I think this video is long, but it can be instructive to show you if you want to become kind of a system manager, Unix system manager. You need to be able to do some programming. In this case, I use Ruby. Ruby, like Perl, is a very good language to do system programming because it has regular expression incorporated, and I will use them in this video. So enough for the introduction. I leave you to the video. Goodbye. So today I will show you how you can use Ruby from the command line to do typical operation, that is to rename a set of files. The file we want to rename are the one you see here. I want to change format. You see, these are backup files, and at the beginning I thought that this format would have been nice, like day, month, explicitly month, and then here, but this is not practical because at the time of listing the file, you see, it's not ordered as you wish by default with the last file at the end, and this is very annoying. So I want to change the format, and I want to use this new format I'm using here. So with here, month, day, and hour, minute. Okay. How do we do it? First of all, we need to observe that these files are owned by this user, so we need to operate from that user. You see that now I'm this user here, a generic user. We need to be that user, so sudo -u window backup maker, and with this user, well, I become this user. No, with this user, let's say, okay, I want to run the command irb. That is the default Ruby shell. There is also private. In this case I will use irb. Okay, the first thing to do is to get the directory listing. So let's say dir is glob all files. Okay, sorry, dir dot glob all files. Okay, it's a long thing, so let's say size 55 elements. Let's see the first elements, for example, first 10. So as I told you, I want to operate with all files except this one. So how to recognize? You see, there is this file is special because it has 4 digits. Well, let's say because it starts like this. Okay, so let's say I want here select Okay, so now I say want all file except this one, so I put not. So here we are. So let's say that dir, this is dir2. We're going to operate on this file. Perfect. So now we need to transform this date format in another date format. So what we will do is time date time. Depending on the version of Ruby, maybe date time is already loaded. And then string parse of a time element. So let's say this, and this is what is a day, and then it should be B, very bad. Very bad. Very bad. I see now we have a problem that these month's name are in Italian. So let's prepare a conversion script, a first conversion script. So let's say that Jan is January, Feb is February. Let's see. Okay. Mar is Mar. Before that, let's see if yeah, perfect. If you see, if it was in English, it would have been taken. August, you see, is detected. Here, okay, 2023-25 August has been detected. Okay, so here we are. Let's get it all. Big Y stand for a year. We have 4 digits, and then we do. We need the hour and the minute. So H minute. Perfect. Minus hour and minute 13:00. Okay. Then time we convert it to the format we want. So let's say years, month, day. Here month, day, minus hour, and I want 2 dot minute. So this would have been our conversion, let's say. The problem is that we don't have the month name in English, so we need to make a preliminary conversion to the English, and so SAP oct nov becomes November and ditch become December. Ok. Gennaio, January, febbraio, February, marzo, March, aprile, questo è sbagliato, aprile, April, aprile, April, maggio, May, giugno, June, agosto, August, settembre, September, ottobre, October, November, November, December, December. Okay, so we have this first conversion to do. So let's say dir to allora def new name 1, old name is what is old name replace do. Okay, from these I need to detect match take it all okay. I need to detect this and then convert it. Okay, so match match what these and then grouping and then this in the beginning and then we say the match, it can match whatever thing oh boy of course this is a mistake. Okay, minus 26, let's say minus digit minus, and then whatever, but 3 whatever, and then another minus. Okay, perfect. Allora, and then from this group 0, okay, so we are able to detect that part. So def new name one name is let's say variable, no, let's say tmp equal old name punto match, and then we take all these regex here, select the first element, okay, and then we new is the dictionary that we defined before, conv1 conv1 tmp, and then old name sub, and we sub what, tmp with new, and let's say, let's try new name 1 for one of our elements here, okay, it doesn't find conv1, so let's put it as a global variable conv1 temporarily, okay, this is okay, okay, it's wrong because you see there is October here, but there is the minus minus, so yep. Let's try it again. Perfect. Okay, so we are able to do the first kind of conversion, and what we do is that we apply this conversion to first conversion to all names. So let's try dir2, the first element is this one, and let's say new name of dir2, new name 1 of dir date 2, zack December become December, perfect, okay. Let's see if we can convert all names. Let's say dir2 map new name 1x. Let's give it a look. September, June. Okay, it failed a few times. You can see here it failed. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's do like this. It's easier. For each of these, give me the old name and the new name. Okay, so let's see where it failed. It failed in July. Okay, it failed in July. Let's see why conv1 June, July actually is not present. Luglio is July, and let's say that conv1 is this. So let's run it again. Okay, Luglio, July. Okay, it seems fine. Well, now it is useful now to do already the next conversion, so we can see maybe we made another mistake. Let's do conversion 2. As we said before, we found already the way to convert that thing, so here it is. New name 2, old name, is what? Okay, from old name we need to get rid of this and put it back at the end. Allora the header is, let's say, this part. No, it's not convenient. We need to start from, we need to isolate these starting from plus. Ok, quindi let's say old name.match and we match plus minus and then all the block we want. so we say whatever it takes, but not greedy, and then dot back. Okay, and date string old is this. Okay, then take date string old and we format to that. Date string new, and the file name becomes this plus date string new plus dot back dot gz, and now I mistook because that would have been new name 2. Let's recover new name 1 because it was useful. Okay, I must say that this script is very complex, should more comfortable to do it from an editor, but since we started, let's finish it. And good. So here first to, let's say, map this, and then new name 1x and new name 2. Okay, okay, found the mistake. Name 2 up. Okay, let's see it. From 1 Dicembre to 1 December to 2023 12/01 13/00. Perfect. Set September 2023 9/1. Perfect. Allora, let's say let's do all the conversion and see what happened. Let's give it a look. 3, 6, 9, 13. Seems okay. Let's do some random sample. 24 November 11. Another random checking. 7 is July. 7 day April. Perfect. I would say it's okay. So at this point we do the conversion. We start converting a few files, not all of them. Here to size, we say 54 elements. So what we want to do is this. Let's say the first element here to 0 for each. That is only for that element, for the first element. We do, yeah, you're right, from 0 to 1, only 0 to 0, 0 to 0, only for that element do that, okay? Allora, now what do? We say, okay, this, let's say that we want to do is file utils mv is rename the file from the old name, that is x, to the new name, that is new name to new name 1x 1 2. Okay, bene. We may do an ls to see what happened. We see one file out of format. There should be two, honestly. Took something, so 2 1. Let's say puts x. Oi. Va bene, allora you do file utils dot move, and move what? You move x to new name 2 x, new name 1 x 1 second parenthesis and blue. Okay. It should have changed 2 names. Let's see what happened. Yeah, now we are, because it's correct, because we saw that previously we started with 1 name in the new format. We changed name to 2 names, and so we are fine. So let's say let's convert the first 10 elements. Okay, puts ls. Okay, you see still start to be more ordered. Ahora we convert till 10. Remember that the to size is 54, so we convert the remaining part, that is we convert element from 11 to 53, because there are 44 elements, but it's Ruby is 0 index, so the first element is 50 is 0. Okay, so let's see, puts ls. Okay, file are converted to year, month, date, hour, minute. It's done. It has been more difficult of what I anticipated, but that's also the interesting part. I didn't test this thing before doing the video, that maybe it could be good, could be not, it depends. At least you could have seen how it's done some real scripting in the shell, and this without using an editor. Okay, so this is all. Bye.